Hey guys, what's going on? I'm here to tell you a little bit about something that I recently got from the makeup store. I'm definitely obsessed with all different kinds of makeups, and I love trying new things as well. I love being adventurous with my makeup. So this is Tarteist Lash Paint. It's a really great mascara. I've used Tarte in the past before. I used their lipstick on my wedding day and it lasted the entire day. I was super happy with it. The colors are amazing and they don't test on animal, which I absolutely love. So this is Tarteist lip paint in black. I love the black and gold design of it. I think that's really pretty. It kind of just looks like paint, like what's in the name, because the top is gold and then it has like the black splashes on it. Says Tarteist Lash Paint Mascara. This is the smaller size. So the full size would be 7 milliliters or 0.23 ounces. This is 3 milliliters or 0.10 ounces. So this is made in Italy, all rights reserved, distributed by Tarte Incorporated, New York 10018. That's all that the bottle says here. I'll show you guys the top and everything. So yes, this is the smaller size. So the product description: paint on dramatic lashes powered by good-for-you ingredients with this vegan, natural artistry mascara. It's infused with triple black painted mineral pigments that strengthen and condition lashes while delivering bold black definition. You'll get flirty length and volume without any icky or bad ingredients. So the ingredients are water, paraffin, glyceryl stearate, synthetic beeswax, it's vegan instead of real beeswax, acacia Senegal gum, stearic acid, butylene glycol, orza sativa, rice bran wax, orza sativa, rice bran sera, palmitic acid, polybutene, azocarate, BP alkylene copalmer, hydrogenated vegetable oil, sera, carnauba wax, phenoxyethanol, stearyl stearate, tropolone, sodium nitrate, and iron oxides. So I love that this mascara is actually very soft. It doesn't make your eyelashes hard or anything like that. I know sometimes they harden, especially when I put a couple coats on and curl them. That didn't happen with this. It's not runny, but it's also not waterproof, so you can't really go like swimming with them on, but it makes your eyelashes pop. It's one of the best mascaras I've ever tried, and it separates my lashes perfectly and gives them beautiful length without making them clumpy or stuck together or anything like that, which I love. So usually I have lashes. My lashes aren't like super long, but they are much longer than they look when I don't have makeup on. So when I curl them and put the mascara on, it definitely helps. And it makes your lashes look long and full. The wand is awesome. It makes your lashes look longer than they are. And I just love that it stays on, doesn't clump, and the brush is great. So I'm actually going to open it up so you guys can see the brush. And now you guys can see, so definitely like a nice black. And look how many little bristles there are. This is great for separating your lashes, like I said, so they don't clump together. A lot of the times mascaras make them your eyelashes clump together. And also here's a little trick too, and here's what I don't know if you guys can really see what the inside looks like, but here's a little trick too. The more you pump, and I am guilty of doing this, the more you keep going back in and out of the tube, the more dried out the mascara is going to get, and that makes it just not last you as long as it potentially could. So just keep that in mind. Try not to like over pump your mascara, because it's just not going to last you as long. It kind of just dries it out the more that you do it. So ever since knowing this, and it might be a known thing, but I only found out a couple years ago, ever since I found out that, I really try to just be mindful and try not to pump and too much. I try to just get a good amount out by kind of scraping a little bit the first time and applying once, and then that's it. So this mascara stays on all day. It's super light and the color is great, and I love the bristles. I love how long and full-bodied my lashes look after using this. So this was Tarteist Lash Paint Mascara in black by Tarte. I hope you guys found the video useful, and I thank you for watching my video. See you later, everybody.